Some persons from this state, particularly one George Turner, is threatening the peace of this state. And recently there is a Facebook report with his own number that is going to host the Minister of FCT in Tombia roundabout in Bayelsa. The minister is not from Bayelsa State. This is not FCT. This is Bayelsa State. All service commanders should be at alert. That meeting must not take place in Bayelsa State. He can host his minister anywhere outside Bayelsa State. And I direct further that no public place, no public school, no public place, infrastructure should be used by anybody except by the approval of the state government. Every public facility in this state owned by the Bayelsa state government, nobody can use it except with the express approval of the Bayelsa state government. And nobody should import and export insecurity in their states to Bayelsa state. And so service commanders, you are put on alert that any of such gatherings should not and will not hold in Bayelsa state. There is a government in place here, and this government and the security agencies have worked tirelessly to keep the peace of this state. If somebody cannot take care of their state, they shouldn't import it to where we have peace. Ijaw people are not fighting federal government. We are rather supporting the government of Tinubu for what he is doing in Bayelsa state, particularly for giving the contract of phase 2 of Nembe Brass Road. And the contractor has come to report himself. And like Oliver Twist, we are asking for more for Ekeremo Age Road to partner with us. For Oporoma Ukubie Koluama Road to partner with us. And we are happy that the president is doing that. So why will anybody want to set the Ijaw people against the federal government?